Thanks for dropping in today. In my years of teaching, I noticed that the biggest trap in the English language are the sticky little pairs that look alike, sound alike, but totally ruin the meaning of your sentences if you mix them up. Today, we will dive into the battle between minute vocabulary and busy wines and their memory tricks, specifically known as mnemonic devices, so you can choose the right word with absolute confidence. Now, our first pair of words. Stationery noun refers to materials such as papers, pens, and ink for writing or typing, while stationary with an A is an adjective means fixed or not moving, such as a stationary bicycle. For mnemonic device, stationary noun with ER includes paper, so stationery is a paper. By definitely knowing one, such as stationery is paper, you stop your brain from mixing it up with similar spellings. Second pair, compliment with letter I is a noun that means an expression of admiration, while compliment with E means completing part or goes well with. So, say to yourself, I love receiving praises. Again, knowing that pronoun I works for complement with an I, your brain stops worrying for the other complement with an E. Emigrate is a verb means to leave a country. Example, emigrated from Philippines to Canada, while immigrate is a verb means to enter a country, such as immigrated to the US from Italy. The prefix connection that E in emigrate comes from Latin word which means out of or simply exit. Next, confident as an adjective means certain or showing assurance, as in confident of success, while confidant with an A is a noun means one to whom secrets are entrusted, such as trusted confidant or a confidant of the president. Confident with an E, think of E for ego or pride as you are certain of your success. Then, envelop means to surround or to enclose. Like, for example, the over-the-knee suede boots will envelop her legs like a second skin, while envelope noun means a flat, usually paper container. Now think of their correct pronunciation. Envelope is a verb where stress is in V, as in verb, making the envelope an extra paper. In conclusion, there is no best memory trick. Invent your own memory tricks that will engage multiple parts of your brain at once, making the information easier and faster to retrieve. Now, think of your English as flawless and your memory tricks are perfect for you. Answer these 5 rapid-fire questions. Write your letter on the comment section. Here are they. If you want to say something is not moving, how do you spell it? A or B? Her creative ideas blank her technical skills. A or B? Many people blank to find better job opportunities abroad. A or B? My grandmother remains my most trusted blank. A or B? The paper packet you use to mail a letter, is it A or B? If you miss even one of these, you are definitely making the embarrassing mistakes. So, if you learn from this, watch the next part in the series. Thank you and see you.